Welcome to my thatMufinART channel. A circle drawing is the most direct means of expression. This type of drawing without shading or lightness is usually the far to the attempted, usually the first to be by an artist. It may be somewhat limited in effect, yet it conveys dimensions, movement, structure, and mood. It can also suggest texture to some extent. Line gives character, but shading gives depth and value. Sketching or drawing is generally a prescribed part of the studies of art students. This generally includes making sketches from a live model whose pose changes every few minutes. A drawing usually implies a quick and loosely drawn work, while related terms such as study and preparatory drawing usually refer to more finished and careful works to be used as a basis. Underdrawing is a drawing underneath to the final work, which may sometimes still be visible and can be viewed by a modern scientific method. A simple circle drawing by stairs and a very beautiful moon. You can easily draw it with a beautiful tree on the stairs. Most visual artists use to a great and lesser degrees the sketch as a method of recording or working out ideas. Drawing is also used as a form of communication in areas of product design such as industrial design. Below the trees, you can put a very beautiful and amazing heart. It can be used to communicate design intent and is most widely used to ideation. To put the final touch, you can circle. You can give the color of a very beautiful circle above and below the drawing. It can be used to map out floor plans of homes. The ability to quickly record impression through sketching has found varied purposes in today's culture. Thank you.